until you make the unconscious conscious. It will direct your life, you will call it fate.
Shadow in the rear view, riding shotgun blind. Archetypes on autopilot, steering every line. You blame the stars, you blame the X, you blame the 9 to 5. But the script was coded deep, where the daylight never shines. Projections in the smoke machine, every flirt a rerun. Collective pulling puppet strings like a DJ with no tune. You call it luck, you call it curse, you call it just the way it is. We're laughing in the sub-frequencies, kid, that's your business.
Beats getting heavier, hearts keeping score. The floor is the mirror you can't ignore.
No fate but what we make. Make the unconscious conscious, for fuck's sake. It directs your life, you call it fate. Leave with dragons screaming until the light. Accelerate. No fate but what we make. Shadow on the dance floor, no escape. Integrate the dark, let the ego break. No fate but what we make.
What we make.
What we make. Dreams keep texting you at 3 a.m. in code. Synchronicity DM saying bro you're on a loop. Reload, you swipe left on your own reflection. Call the block bad vibe, but the monster in the basement just learn how to drive. Witty little ego doing stand up every day. Face a bitch you do not fake, just your shadow stage name. One foot in the line, one foot in the grave. Time to union, the opposite sustain forever. Between the kicks, between the breaths, the real DJ drops the truth you've been suppressing to death. No fate but what we make. Make the unconscious conscious, for fuck's sake. It directs your life, you call it fate. Tonight we drag it screaming into the light. Accelerate. No fate but what we make. Shadow on the dance floor, no escape. Integrate the dark, let the ego break. No fate but what we make. You thought fate was real? No. Fate was just the unconscious on cruise control. Time to grab the wheel, individuate, or stay asleep. 1, 2, 3. Wake it up! Nothing but what we make. Make the unconscious cause. Stepping in the pain, into the cold, delete the old disgrace. Every step you take is a choice you embrace. No fate but what we make. The floor is the altar, the sweat is the prayer. The drop is the moment you become the make of your fate.
Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your